everyone, and welcome back to the channel again. Today is Saturday. We got another two flips which we bought from Mannheim auction, but we're gonna pick them up Monday or Tuesday, so I'll keep you updated on those. Today we having the Mr. Hyundai i40, which is a lovely car. Really good buy with this one. Really happy with it, with the overall condition, which, as I said, is way up, much better than a grade 5, either way. I gave it a really good clean around now. It's got some scratches and stuff like that, usual stuff for a car of the age. This is one visible scrape here, this scratch on the door. But overall it's alright. It's got some scratches here and there, things, but nothing bad. It can be easily can be sorted with a machine polisher. It's got some holograms. It's been polished before, but yeah, as usual, 5 minutes polishing machine, I suppose. I don't know, but yeah, there's no damage, nothing that needs to be fixed or repainted or stuff like that. It's just usual wear and tear stuff. So now I'll just use the lower side of the doors. I'll go with a heavy cut. Then the rest of the car I'll just use Rupes Uno compound all in one, as it's not needed. I mean, just look on the, let's see here on the boot, there aren't too many swirls like you usually get on these cars, so probably this guy didn't took it too much to the automatic car wash, which is a positive fact. There are some scratches here which I will sort out. These are a bit ugly here, so I don't know what I will do about this. I think I'll get one of these like drill mounts and just go and use that one in the future. It's really nice. The color is amazing in full sun, and will be a really good looking car when it will be ready. So we put the claim down to Mannheim for the knocking noise on the steering rack. I'm just waiting back from them, and let's get going and keep polishing it, and let's see what we have at the end. Let's see if it will come out. I know about, never had one of these on my hand. I don't know how good or bad the lacquer and the paint is on them, so let's get it going and we'll see at the end. Right, I forgot about this quick update. This one has been sold. Deposit has been paid on it. When did that happen? Yesterday, Friday. What, someone did just called in. We do had a lot of inquiries on this car, but people didn't turn up. Simple as that. Or some people asked me about part exchanges, so I give them the estimate for the part exchange. They haven't replied back, so yeah, part exchange is a part exchange. Everyone should understand it. And yeah, the small Evo has been sold. It's been sitting for about 4 weeks, I think. Yeah, 4 weeks it's been with us, something like that. Yeah, young chap buying his first car, but he had his driving license since 2019. But anyway, he didn't need a car while in pandemic, so yeah, makes sense. And yeah, he took it here yesterday for a test drive, and he was really happy, really impressed with it. He paid the deposit. He's gonna collect it himself on Wednesday. This one we bought it for 3,800. It sold for 5,600. So yeah, we did a service on it because the oil wasn't looking too good. And I don't know, can't remember exactly, but I think that's what we had to do on it. Service, that's it. And obviously usual prep and clean, nothing else. So yeah, this car made us a really good profit. Really good profit, which I think will be about, after the VAT margins, will be about 1,400 roughly. somewhere there. I haven't did the books on it anyway. Everything is recorded on my computer, so yeah. But I know for sure I haven't spent too much money on it at all. It's been a good buy. Oh my God, what a day, long day. Funny one, we never had cars so big to do so much work on them. And it really takes a lot of time, you know, really takes a lot of time. Anyway, after Mr. I-40 here, all finished, all polished up, shines like a diamond. It came out really nice. The color is amazing, really amazing color, this one, just look at it. But it's been looked after, to be honest. You can see it's been looked after. It's got a few small scratches here and there, but nothing too serious. But it came up amazingly well. Will be a really nice looking car, this one. Really nice looking. You can see, came up amazingly well. I love my new Lake Country pad with the angel wax setup. Works really well. But I think I'll need a new pad soon. Anyway, what happened today? Otherwise, the Peugeot, the huge Peugeot is finished inside only vacuuming. It's a huge car, so it takes a lot of time to clean it up, but it's getting there. We're just playing with it to see how the seats are folding down, how practical can be. But you can camp in it if you want. I only need now just some wipe inside, clean up the dash and everything. The seats might need a bit of a wet vac, or probably just a quick wipe with some general purpose cleaner. Yeah. Well, next in the line now, in the coming day, which will be, I think, Tuesday, because Monday we have to go and pick up the other two cars from Mannheim. We got two Fords. One is a 1.6 diesel manual 2013 with 100,000 miles with full service history. The other one is a 1.6 petrol with a power shift gearbox, finger crossed. That one is a 64 plate with 93,000 miles. That one was really good buy, that one. We got the auction for 3,400 plus fees. In total took us to 3,780 or something with the fees. It retails for 7,195. Yeah, it should be a quick seller, that one being an automatic. And the petrol as well, they're getting more and more desirable. But the diesel one seems to be a good buy, that one as well, because that one retails for I think 5,095 or 5,195, but we got that one for 3,000 plus fees, which will take us to 3,340 quids or something. Anyway, so yeah, I'll keep you updated next week on the road when we're gonna be there and pick them up. And yeah, we're also curious to see what we bought. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon with the new one.